always try and combine these methods, the method of doing things the ancestral way, emsamo nedlozi, combine it with the astrological way of doing things, whereby you check your planetary placements, you check your birth charts, and then you find remedies. It helps you because you get to see where your problems come from, you get to see your current situation, and then you get to see your potential future depending on how you do things. Into yokucombine these two methods singayisabi, because into astrology bivele ikhona in the past. Ababamkhulu wethu besebenzisa umkhathi, ilanga, i-moon, besebenzisa even umoya, amanzi, all these things nje ezinaturally. Kumele sizibukisise izinto ey'fana nalezo. Even ama-planets uqobo lawo bebenawo amagama awo, but into eyenzeka i-information yalahleka ngesikhathi siduswa saye sangena kule nto yenkolo-ke. Yalahleka i-information ngoba ibingabhalwanga phansi. Kuthe mase kubuya into yedlozi nezangoma nabantu bevukelwa amandla ingena kubantu, ayibange isavuka ngendlela yeqiniso. Ake ngiyibeke nje kanjalo, because manje when you see i-astrology nento yokulapha idlozi, uthola ukuthi iyahlangana. It's just that thina we are not aware, and thina sicabanga ukuthi i-astrology into yokufika, kanti into ebevele ikhona. And it's very nice when you use the astrology to sort out your problems. Ama-problems afike nedlozi. Lama problems wena usuyitshela ukuthi awalapheki, usuyitshela ukuthi hayi lawa ama-generational cases, it's so hard to break them. Oh, it's so beautiful when you use the astrology to try and see through ama-problems akho and sort them out. Also, there is a link when you see ama-problems edlozi nama-planets. For instance, umuntu onedlozi lamakhehla uma eyawungena emsamo kuyotholakala ukuthi kunolaka lamakhehla aphakeme, wena umuntu wesifazane or izinto zakho nje zizoniwa amakhehla akufulathele, uzothola ukuthi lowo muntu lowo uma ehambe ya kumuntu osebenza ngezinto ze-birth chart ne-astrology, uzothola ukuthi maybe uMars wakhe unenkinga ethize, or wenze i-square, because i-square isona siye sidala ukuthi kube ney'nkinga. Indlela asquarishe ngayo iyona emdalela lezi inkinga. Or maybe uPluto ukwi-position unfavorable. And also I always try and combine into kaPluto nomndawo or umdliwo, because uPluto, especially uPluto noSaturn, izinto zabo zihambisana ne-justice, zihambisana nezono, zihambisana ne-karma. So uzothola ukuthi ungaya kumuntu athi umndawo umdliwa kulungile ukudalela lezi inkinga onazo, but uma uzoya kumuntu ozosebenza